The Baya weaver is a weaver bird found across the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. They are found in grassland, cultivated areas, scrub forest, and now in rural and urban areas. Nest colonies are usually found on thorny trees or palms, but in Cuttack we are observing on a tree covered with spiny shrubs due to a lack of palms. Baya weavers are social and gregarious birds. They forage in flocks for seeds, both on the plants and on the ground. They depend on wild grasses, so we should restore the grasses near their habitat. The breeding season of the Baya weaver is the monsoon. A widespread folk belief in India is that the Baya sticks fireflies with mud to the nest walls to light up the interior of the nest at night. Through this video, we request that you all do not disturb their nests and try to restore the grass population.